Practice questions and answers. Conversational questions and answer about daily routine. Questions. What time do you usually wake up in the morning? Do you have a morning routine? What do you like to eat for breakfast? Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning? How do you commute to work or school? What time do you usually start work or school? What tasks do you prioritize in the morning? Do you take breaks during your work or study hours? How long is your lunch break? What do you usually do during lunch? Do you prefer to eat alone or with others? What time do you finish your work or school? Do you have any after school or after work activities? How often do you exercise during the week? What do you usually do in your free time? Do you have a hobby that you enjoy? How do you unwind after a long day? What time do you usually have dinner? Do you enjoy cooking or do you prefer takeout? Do you watch TV or read in the evening? How often do you go out with friends? What is your favorite weekend activity? Do you have a regular bedtime? What time do you usually go to bed? Do you have trouble sleeping at night? How many hours of sleep do you usually get? What is your favorite part of the day? Do you enjoy early mornings or late nights? How do you stay organized during the week? Do you use a planner or digital tools to manage your time? What do you usually do on weekends? Do you have any family traditions on weekends? How do you balance work and personal life? Do you prefer a busy schedule or a relaxed one? How do you plan your week ahead? Do you enjoy socializing with colleagues after work? What is your favorite way to spend a day off? Do you have any daily rituals that you follow? How do you manage stress during busy days? Do you keep a journal or diary? What do you usually write about? Do you enjoy listening to music during your routine? How do you celebrate your achievements? Do you prefer mornings or evenings for exercise? How often do you catch up with family? What is your favorite breakfast dish? Do you have a go-to snack during the day? How do you stay motivated throughout the week? Do you participate in community events? What is your favorite way to relax at the end of the day? Answers. I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m. Yes, I have a morning routine that includes breakfast and some exercise. I like to eat eggs and toast for breakfast. I usually drink coffee in the morning. I commute to work by bus. I usually start work at 9 a.m. I prioritize checking emails and planning my day. Yes, I take short breaks every couple of hours. My lunch break is usually 1 hour long. I usually read a book or talk with colleagues during lunch. I prefer to eat with others. I finish work around 5 p.m. Yes, I participate in a sports club after work. I exercise about 3 times a week. In my free time, I enjoy reading and watching movies. Yes, I love painting as a hobby. I unwind by listening to music or watching TV. I usually have dinner around 7 p.m. I enjoy cooking, especially trying new recipes. I often watch TV shows in the evening. I go out with friends every weekend. My favorite weekend activity is hiking. Yes, I try to go to bed by 11 p.m. I usually go to bed around 11 p.m. No, I don't have trouble sleeping at night. I usually get about 7 hours of sleep. My favorite part of the day is the morning. I enjoy early mornings more than late nights. I stay organized by using a planner. Yes, I use a digital calendar to manage my time. On weekends, I usually relax or go out with friends. Yes, we have a family movie night every Saturday. I try to set boundaries between work and personal life. I prefer a relaxed schedule, but I stay productive. I plan my week every Sunday. Yes, I often go out for drinks with colleagues. My favorite way to spend a day off is to relax at home. Yes, I meditate every morning as part of my daily rituals. I manage stress by exercising and spending time outdoors. Yes, I keep a journal to reflect on my thoughts. I usually write about my daily experiences and feelings. Yes, I listen to music while I work. I celebrate my achievements with a small treat or dinner. I prefer mornings for exercise because I feel more energetic. I catch up with family during the weekends. My favorite breakfast dish is pancakes. Yes, I love nuts and fruits as my daytime snack. I stay motivated by setting small goals for myself. Yes, I participate in local charity events. My favorite way to relax is to take a long bath. Questions. What is the first thing you do after waking up? Do you check your phone as soon as you wake up? How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? Do you prefer a quick breakfast or a full meal? How do you feel about breakfast being the most important meal of the day? What do you listen to while commuting? Do you enjoy your job or studies? How do you stay focused while working or studying? What do you usually have for a snack during the day? Do you often eat out for lunch? What is your favorite place to eat lunch? How do you feel after a productive workday? Do you enjoy meeting your colleagues after work? What do you do to relax in the evening? Do you prefer to cook dinner or order food? How do you manage your time in the evening? What is your favorite evening activity? Do you usually spend time with family in the evening? How do you celebrate special occasion with your family? Do you have any favorite TV shows you watch regularly? How do you decide what to watch on TV? Do you read books in the evening? How often do you call your friends or family? What do you usually do before going to bed? Do you use any sleep apps or routines to help you sleep better? How do you feel about the importance of a good night's sleep? What time do you usually wake up on weekends? Do you have a different routine on weekends? What do you like to do on a lazy Sunday? How often do you go shopping for groceries? Do you prefer shopping in stores or online? How do you plan your meals for the week? What is your favorite dessert to make at home? Do you usually pack your lunch or eat out? How do you stay active during the week? What is your favorite form of exercise? Do you prefer exercising alone or with a friend? How do you feel after a workout? What is your favorite way to wind down at the end of the day? Do you have any pets, and how do you take care of them? How often do you take short vacations or trips? What is your favorite destination for a weekend getaway? Do you enjoy planning your vacations? How do you balance relaxation and productivity during your time off? What do you do if you have a lot of work to complete? How do you feel about working from home? Do you prefer to start your day with a workout? How do you keep track of important dates and events? Do you have a mentor or someone you look up to in your career? What do you do to stay motivated and focused on your goals? Answer. I usually wake up around 7 a.m. Yes, I check my phone for messages and news. It takes me about 30 minutes to get ready. I prefer a full meal for breakfast. I believe breakfast is essential to start the day right. I listen to music or podcasts while commuting. Yes, I enjoy my job and find it fulfilling. I stay focused by making a to-do list. I usually have fruits or nuts as a snack. Yes, I often eat out for lunch with colleagues. My favorite place to eat lunch is a local cafe. I feel accomplished and satisfied after a productive day. Yes, I love spending time with my colleagues after work. I relax by reading or watching movies in the evening. I prefer cooking dinner because I enjoy it. I manage my time by setting priorities. My favorite evening activity is going for a walk. Yes, I spend time with family during dinner. We celebrate special occasion with a family dinner. Yes, I watch several TV shows regularly. I usually browse through different channels until I find something interesting. Yes, I read novels and magazines in the evening. I call my family every week to catch up. I usually prepare for bed by reading a book. Yes, I use a sleep app to track my sleep patterns. I think a good night's sleep is very important for health. I wake up around 8 a.m. on weekends. Yes, I enjoy a more relaxed routine on weekends. On lazy Sundays, I like to stay in bed and read. I go grocery shopping every Saturday. I prefer online shopping for groceries for convenience. I plan my meals every Sunday to stay organized. My favorite dessert to make is chocolate cake. I usually pack my lunch to save money. I stay active by going for a walk or jogging. My favorite form of exercise is yoga. I prefer exercising with a friend for motivation. I feel refreshed and energized after a workout. I wind down by watching a movie or taking a bath. Yes, I have a dog, and I take it for walks daily. I take short vacations every few months. My favorite weekend getaway is the beach. Yes, I enjoy planning vacations with friends. I balance relaxation and productivity by creating a schedule. If I have a lot of work, I prioritize my tasks. I enjoy working from home as it provides flexibility. Yes, I like to start my day with some exercise. I keep track of important dates using a planner. Yes, I have a mentor who guides me in my career. I stay motivated by surrounding myself with positive influences.